Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Let's start your new lecture, Grade 8. We were on the chapter number 11 of your book that was about electricity in action. We have started this chapter. We have done the introduction. We were on the topic that was other sources of electricity, and under this heading we have done the working of the battery, the working of hydroelectric power, and also the working of wind power. In today's lecture I will proceed this chapter towards the new topic, that is the working of nuclear power. How the electricity can be generated by nuclear reactions, by the reaction of nucleus, or by the fission reactions. So you will see in the working in detail. So let's start the practical. So let's start the working of the nuclear power for the generation of electricity. It will work on the principle of, as the steam engine works on the principle of steam. So the steam will be responsible for the production of electricity. Here in the case of nuclear power, the water will be converted into steam with the help of the heat. The heat that will be produced by the nuclear fission of neutrons with the uranium. I will explain it in detail in this experiment. Then with that steam, it will get boiled, its kinetic energy will be increased, and when the steam will be produced, the steam will, as a result, the high pressure steam will be helpful in rotating the turbines. Then the turbines rotate and will generate the electricity. So water will be heated by the help of nuclear fission. Then it will get boiled at higher pressure. Then the water will convert it into steam. Now what is the nuclear fission reaction? That is the basic reaction in this nuclear power. Nuclear fission reaction is the conversion of one atom into two atoms, one uranium atom into two uranium atom, with the help of bombardment or fission of any neutron on it. So that is known as nuclear fission reaction. Now here is the working of nuclear power plant. You can see there is a nuclear reactor in which the nuclear fission reaction will take place. The heat will produce in the nuclear reactor, then that heat will be sent into heat exchanger, where the water will be converted into steam. The water will get boiled because of the excessive heat produced inside the nuclear reactor. Now heat exchanger will convert that water into steam. That steam will then enter into the pipe, its pressure get increased, and then that heat exchanger will send that steam into the turbine. The blades of the turbine will get moved. Along with the turbine, the converter or generator is connected. This generator will convert the movement of turbine with the help of steam into electricity. This is the converter or generator. Then this electricity will be sent to the electrical sources. The extra water which will remain, or the steam which will cool down, then it will send to cooling tower. After sending to cooling tower, it will be sent into condenser. From the condenser, it will go back into the steam engine. So that's all about the working of the nuclear power. So hope you understand it. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.